Don't touch that, it's nasty.
Juice.
I'll leave that, I'm not sure about that. This straw's not too bad. I don't find it like November. October.
And that packet inflamed.
Yeah.
Oh, that is disgusting.
Throw it. Don't look at the other side. No, it's not alright.
There's nothing really saying they're not good.
Yeah, but it's like green.
No, that's not the top of it.
Oh, that's alright. Well, carrots live longer than cucumbers.
Carrots live longer than cucumbers. That's definitely what we can take from this situation.
They're grim.
Don't they last for like years in their little packets?
Can I shut this thing now? I don't want to look inside it.
Yeah, it's probably not good right now.
Right, we need to keep the beer in the fridge because there's never enough room. Probably. You bought these recently?
She's good, that's good, I only bought that the other day. The cucumber's mine in the top shelf.
What's in this jar? Because I never eaten it because I'm scared of this jar.
I can't see the
It's got
jar.
brains in it.
It's not brains, it's
Blood and bones. Bit of sin. It's delicacy.
oh my god, this is stuck.
This is why I keep everything of mine on the top shelf, because there is ominous stainage coming on any kind of packet from the bottom shelf.
Okay, but no.
They don't remember.
Really? Cheese normally lasts for ages.
So she's probably be alright.
It's been in there since we got here. It's 3rd of November.
Who the hell eats mild cheese? See what I mean?
I've got mild cheese, but don't look my way. I'd have eaten it.
Kate wouldn't eat mild cheese. I don't think Frank would either, and if he would...
This is yours, you scumbag.
No, it's not. I threw mine away.
I think I want to be sick, so just stop it.
Put it in the bin. That might be Ricardo's.
We can take the bin out ASAP.
Yeah, it is Ricardo's, because I normally buy them in the little packs of 10. Because I know that I can't eat a whole pack of that.
Whoa!
What do you mean? That brand Phineas is moved in, but that's to get out of the fridge. Because you go and get rid of the fridge, it makes it go stale. And then we put it back.
Oh, fair.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I don't know.
That's probably mine. It's probably just empty. Minging.
Lucy's just like, oh, it's yours, Sam's. Okay, in the bin. I think that was yours, Juice.
It wasn't mine.
That was
It
Marcus's.
was Frank's mum's cake.
Nah, throw it.
I don't think I'll ever look at those rubber gloves in the same way. Just put all the jars of Evan stuff on the bottom shelf.
Where you and food.
Right, this is all good, isn't it? I'm sure
Yeah.
this is recent. Because it looks nice.
That's my shit. Oh, you just touched him with the scum glove.
Scum gloves.
Food? I don't believe that this bag's good though.
It's Frank and Kate's that.
I don't think it's good though.
Probably wouldn't look too much.
No. Pretty sure this